It's morning time. And morning time means it's time to wake up the feathers, the birds. So as I open up the house, you should start hearing chirping. So, show everybody. Here's just what it looks like right now. Isn't it nice? Nice and quiet. And then we're going to go and say, City, city, bing, bing. Now, Sydney is our lesser sulfur. I'm messing up her name, aren't I? City, city, bing, bing. And there she is! City, city, bing, bing. Good morning. She's a lesser sulfur cockatoo. And she's 22 years old. And here she is. Hi, City. Good morning. You gonna say good morning to everyone? You like the camera. Good morning, City, City, Bing, Bing. I love you. Knock, 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 knock. Come on. Come on, City, City, Bing, Bing. Sydney, when she does not like her seed, this is what she does to it. So, Sydney. Yo, you're a little stink pot. Huh. Good morning, City, City, Bing, Bing. Come on. And then we will go ahead and we will uncover the lovebirds in a second, though. I'm going to grab something. Sorry about this. I don't know if I can stop and start this thing. Sorry. Don't mean to do this to you people. All right, there we go. I am going to set this up right here, and I'll show you. Yeah, good morning, City. Sydney has made it out. There's the lovebird cage, and let's get the little babies out. That's a lot easier for me. Right now, here we go. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Hamilton. Good morning, Athena. Hold on. What you doing? You can fall through the hole. Put that underneath there. Get this up. Oh, yay, huh? So here we have the lovebirds, peach face. Aren't they cute? Look at them. Hamilton is the one in the front, and Athena is in the back, boy, girl. They're a bonded pair. You guys are so funny, huh? I know, you just want to get out. All right, so we are going to let the lovebirds out. Hopefully, we're going to let the lovebirds out. Can't really see them, so here we go. Come on, guys. I know, City. Come on, guys. You gonna come out? Gonna come out? Huh? You gonna honk at me, Hamilton, huh? Huh? Oh, there's Athena. Hi, Athena. Good morning, sweetheart. Athena likes the camera. She likes to jump on it. There's Athena. Good morning. These lovebirds are about 2.5. Because I believe I bought them when they were about 1.5 years. And I've had them for a year now. And they really have grown since I've had them. Huh. That's Hamilton. All right. City has made it out of her cage. Hi, City, City, Bing, Bang. I gotta wake up the other birds. Hi. Good morning, sweetheart. All right, MisterMan. MisterMan. Pesto. MisterMan and Pesto. MisterMan and Pesto. I can't get this thing to stand up straight. There we go. And we do this here. That's what they look like covered. Let's get them uncovered. Hey! Hello. Good morning. I know, City, City, Bing, Bing. MisterMan. Oh, there you are. Good morning. Hi, sweetheart. And then we have, in the corner, the cockatiels. Yay. Good morning. Everyone awake? Huh? Come on, mister. Come on. I know. Time to come out. Time to come out. Yeah. Hold it down here. Because I don't want you getting the other bird. Pesto's ready. Hi, Pesto. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. And we'll... What? Good morning! Yay! All right, so we've got MisterMan out, Pesto's out, and now we come down to, say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Pesto. You're such a sweetheart. I love you. All right, where's my cockatiels, huh? Hi. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning, Valentina. There's Princess. There's the Princess. And there's Mcygavier. Hi. You gonna come out, Princess? Oh, she's actually gonna come out for us this morning. Here she is. This is just Valentina. She is a princess. We've had her for 2 years. Got her right after MisterMan. We got her from rescue, swear. Southwest Exotic Aviation Rescue, Parrot Rescue. Come on, Mcygavier. Now that's Mcygavier. He's looking for Valentina. He has yet to figure it out that she's left the cage. And there she is. And she probably wants morning scrunchies. And I was right. She wants her morning scrunchies. She will run over to you the minute she sees you, so you give her scrunchies. She is a scrunchie fiend. She likes her scrunchies. Don't you, sweetheart? Don't you, sweetheart? Don't you? Don't you? Yeah, don't you? Ah, you're such a good girl. Oh, yeah. Oos, 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 oos. Oos, oos, oos. Oos, oos, oos. Does that feel good? Come on, Mcygavier. Come on, sweetheart. She is just loving this. Good morning. Good morning, Princess. Yeah. You just want some scrunchies. You just want some scrunchies. All right. Hi, Pesto. Hi, sweetheart. What? Good morning. Good morning. Same thing with Pesto. He was a confiscation, so he came to my house as a potential adoptee, and, well, I adopted him. He was a foster fail, but that's okay. Yeah. We love our Pesto. He's about 11 years old. Blue Crown Conure, male. Is just the sweetest disposition until you make him mad. But, I mean, beautiful birds. Loud birds, but beautiful. Gentle, loving, sweet. You know who you are. Yeah. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, aren't you? Such a good boy. I know. Look, see, she's right there. She's going, hey, why aren't you scrunching me? Why are you, your hand is free, human. Scrunchy me. Oh, she's busy. And who's this? Who's this? That loud person's Mcygavier, by the way. He has yet to figure out that Valentina has left the cage. Hey, hi. Now this little guy, my little Quaker, flew into my house 3 years ago. And, well, you know, he started my love for the birds, and he is just the most gentlest little thing. He's just so loving. Yes, you are. With a Quaker attitude, of course. If anybody knows what a Quaker attitude is like, then he really does fit that description. But, you know, he he's loving. He's trying to get along with the other birds. Huh, MisterMan? You know, we all have our little quirks, don't we? I'm getting new feathers. I can feel them right there. I won't do anything yet. Let's just do that. Yeah, they're getting new feathers in, so a lot of head scratchings, huh? A lot of head scratching, huh? Huh? You gonna purr? I love that sound of contentment. I know they're not purring, but they really sound like they're purring. Huh? Oh, you little rascal. I know. Ugh, 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 ugh. Mama. Yeah. And then in return, he preens me. It's a weird relationship. A lot of trust. One of the things I really like is the Pesto hug. Pesto has this really neat way of hugging, and I just love it when he bends his little head into my hand, and I just hold him and cuddle him. Oh, sweetheart. You're such a silly boy. Oh, Mcygavier! You came to join us. There's Mcygavier. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning. How are you this morning? You're such a pretty boy. Mcygavier is our next to the last rescue. Cockatiel, from his history, I guess he was kept in with a parakeet. And the parakeet mutilated one of his wings. And then he's also skittish, so that means that he's probably had no human handling or human interaction, that much human interaction. But after a year, almost a year now, I believe, he has gotten a lot better. He's a lot, it's different with birds, just like any animal. You have to gain their trust. All right. Come here. There you go. Oh, yeah. See, he likes that. He likes me having his little head cradled. And that's trust. Yeah, I feel good, Pesto. Oh, she's such a good boy. I love you. Yeah. What, Mcygavier? I know. He's a good boy. Just look at that base. Look at that base. I love it when you talk. He's a little whiner sometimes. So I can get that crown up. And get that crown back up, almost. Ah. All right. So that is waking up the birds in the morning. It's really fun and really loud, and sometimes it's my time to spend with them, each one-on-one, and give them a little bit of attention and talk to them before the day starts and I get busy. Yes, I know. Thank you, Athena and Hamilton. It's busy. So good morning. I'm going to go live today in a little bit. So, hey, look out for that. Come by. If you like what I have, or what I'm talking about, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit the little dingy bell because sometimes I do upload. Yeah, and put down in the comments, say, hey, introduce yourself. What do you want to know about me? So with that, I will show you Sydney. And there she is. City, city, bang, bang. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. It's your good morning time. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Can you say hello, Sydney? No? All right. All right, everyone. I'll see you guys in a little bit with my coffee. Have a good morning if I don't see you. Have a good day, good afternoon, and with everything else, today's going to be a good day. Really, it will be. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for stopping in and sitting through this with me. Love it.